Okay, I don't know if this audio is going to be good, and I apologize if the audio is not great. I'm excited about this. So this is a package that just came in the mail today. I don't know how well you can see that. It's from Eddie Price at Genesis Software, and this happens to be to Eddie Price at Genesis. So it's from me to me. But this is set up through a company called mailboxpower.com. And we have recently become an affiliate of theirs. We've been using their service for not quite a year yet, but loving what we're doing, loving how we've integrated Mailbox Power into Genesis Now and into Genesis Link. So, but even outside of that, it's really cool. I'm not going to show you how the software works today, but the gist of it is this, and I'm excited. I just want to open this package, and I thought I'd record the video because I'm excited about it. I hope it's wonderful, and I hope this video is cool. But essentially, Mailbox Power is a system that lets you direct mail friends, family, and business associates, customers, prospects, and all that. Direct mail, postcards, greeting cards, gifts, candy, chocolate, brownies, cookies. All of this can be branded, and you can send one piece at a time, which is really cool. And then other gifts too, t-shirts. And in this case, this is gonna be a special gift. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So we are mailing these to everyone who has been a Genesis customer or Agency Advantage customer. We've got one group that more than 30 years, and another group more than 20, and then 10 or more, and 5 or more. So customers that have been with us, doing business with us from at least 5 years, all the way up to customers that have been with us for more than 30 years, which is pretty cool to me, by the way, and a blessing. So opening up the package, looks nice inside, and it has an envelope that's plain, and then on the envelope, so there we go. You can pause it if you want to read it. Let me read it real quick. Dear Eddie, thanks for being a part of the Genesis family all these years. We thought you deserved a little something to make your mornings even better, because turning coffee into policies really is a superpower. Here's to you, the calm in the storm, the hero behind the desk, and the reason your clients can relax and say, nobody panic, I got this. We appreciate you more than you know. The Genesis team, helping insurance agencies grow. And again, there's the cool little postcard. I think I might want that to be a little bigger. The font to be a little bigger. I've got room for that. Okay, cool. Then I'm gonna open this up. Package really well. So it's a nice, big, actually, coffee cup. Sturdy. And on that side, what does it say? It says, nobody panic, I got this. My name is Eddie, and I'm an insurance agent. And the cool part about this is that Eddie, is printed on there dynamically. In other words, we're sending out 1,000 of these, and they each have the agency owner's name on the cup, on the mug. I think that's so cool. And then this part on the back says, I turned coffee into policies. It's a superpower. So the agent comes in, drinks their coffee, feels good, has lots of energy with a big old cup of coffee, I guess. And then they're able to insure a bunch of customers, sell a lot of insurance policies, protect a lot of people, and do great work. So I think this is cool. Hope you think it's cool. And by the way, if you would like to do this also, just let me know. We're an affiliate, we can hook you up. Be glad to share with you how the software works, how it can be automated, because all this is very automated. We're not going in and sending these out. Our systems are automatically feeding this and making it happen, which is really cool. So hope you like this. Take care.